NemoClaw for Beginners, a comprehensive guide. Today, we're diving into the essentials of NemoClaw, teaching you how to deploy it effectively across various scenarios to enhance your professional toolkit. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on NemoClaw. Did you know that NemoClaw has revolutionized how professionals manage tasks and streamline their workflows? Today, we're going to uncover what NemoClaw is and how it can transform your work efficiency. Stay tuned to learn how to set it up, explore its common use cases, and harness its full potential in your day-to-day operations. NemoClaw is a cutting-edge tool designed to optimize task management and streamline workflows in diverse professional settings. At its core, NemoClaw offers functionalities like task automation, real-time collaboration, and data integration. It's widely adopted in industries ranging from tech to healthcare, where efficiency and precision are paramount. Compared to similar tools, NemoClaw stands out due to its user-friendly interface and robust support network. By understanding these fundamentals, you can start leveraging NemoClaw to enhance productivity and achieve your professional goals.
Setting up NemoClaw is straightforward, provided you follow these steps. First, ensure your system meets the necessary requirements, including storage and internet connectivity. Download the installer from the official website and follow the prompts to complete the installation. During the initial setup, configure your workspace to suit your workflow, taking advantage of templates and integrations. Be mindful of common errors, such as firewall restrictions, and consult the support community if needed. With NemoClaw installed, you're ready to explore its vast capabilities.
NemoClaw shines in various professional scenarios, from project management to customer relationship management. Its task automation feature significantly reduces manual workload, freeing up valuable time. Teams benefit from real-time collaboration tools, which improve communication and reduce project turnaround times. For instance, marketing teams use NemoClaw for campaign management, while IT departments rely on it for system monitoring. The result is measurable time and cost savings, making NemoClaw an invaluable asset in achieving business objectives.
While NemoClaw is robust, users may encounter common issues such as login errors, syncing problems, or integration failures. Identifying these issues early is key to quick resolution. Often, simple fixes like clearing cache or restarting the application can resolve problems. For persistent issues, NemoClaw's support team and active community forums are excellent resources. Regular updates and maintenance checks can prevent many common issues from arising, ensuring a smooth user experience. To truly maximize NemoClaw's potential, consider exploring its add-ons marketplace. Add-ons can enhance functionality with features like advanced analytics, custom reporting, and seamless integration with other tools. Installing add-ons is simple and can be done directly from the NemoClaw interface. Popular choices among users include time tracking and CRM integrations, which tailor NemoClaw to specific business needs. While add-ons offer significant benefits, it's crucial to monitor system performance to avoid overloading your setup. Security and data privacy are top priorities for NemoClaw. The platform employs robust data protection measures, including end-to-end encryption and strict user privacy policies. To ensure your data remains secure, always follow best practices such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In the event of a security breach, NemoClaw has protocols in place to quickly respond and mitigate risks. Understanding these security features can give you peace of mind as you integrate NemoClaw into your workflow. To get the most out of NemoClaw, utilize these efficiency tips. Master keyboard shortcuts to save time on repetitive tasks. Customize your dashboard to highlight priorities and streamline your workflow. Effective task prioritization ensures you focus on high-impact activities. Integrating NemoClaw with other productivity tools can further enhance your efficiency. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly boost your productivity and make the most of what NemoClaw has to offer.
As you explore NemoClaw, take advantage of available resources to deepen your understanding. The official NemoClaw website offers comprehensive tutorials and user guides. Engage with community forums and user groups to share experiences and gain insights. Online courses and certifications can enhance your skills and credibility. Stay informed about new features and best practices by following relevant blogs and industry articles. Continuous learning will ensure you remain at the forefront of NemoClaw capabilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through NemoClaw. We've explored its setup, functionality, and best uses. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Start using NemoClaw and join the vibrant community to share your experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps us create even better resources for you. Share this video with your network and let's grow together.